What is up, boys? Today we are training these Air Force Ones into Batman's greatest enemy, the Joker. So some things you're gonna need for this custom are a paper plate, a Sharpie, 2 different types of brushes, a finer bristle brush and a softer, wider bristle brush, some paper towels, some tape, white, red, purple, and green acrylic paints, and your Air Forces. If you watched my custom before, you already know, before we do anything, gotta take out the laces. Okay, laces are out, and we're just gonna start by making that for purple, so we just gotta tape up everything that we don't want to be purple. This is everything taped up right here. Let's paint this. Alright, so this is how the upper came out. There's still some things that I need to touch up here and there, but all in all, this looks really fresh. It's very nice. Purple color, very fitting for the Joker. The next part that we need to do is this. Alright, boys, this is how the toe box is looking right now. I must say the green and the purple really complement each other very well. So now for one of the most important parts of the shoe, the swoosh. So the next step is going to be taking the Sharpie around the sock liner. Okay, so we colored the sock liner and now we're going to move on to the tongue. One of the final steps is going to be outlining the swoosh with red paint. As you can see, the red paint really makes that swoosh pop. I like it. Let's put the laces in. The last thing we gotta do is take our Sharpie and clean up the swoosh. Alright boys, the shoe's done. Let's take a look at it. So guys, I know I say this like every other custom, but this truly is my favorite custom so far. I'm a huge fan of comics and like superheroes and stuff, and one of my favorite villains is the Joker. So this was really special to me. He's a really cool character, so this is really fun for me to do. Overall, I definitely think that the purple and green go really good together. The crisp white laces are a nice touch as well, but my favorite part is definitely the swoosh. And just in case you didn't catch what it's supposed to be, the red paint is supposed to represent like all this makeup and everything, and then the swoosh itself is just supposed to represent his evil smile that he has. And then of course you got the Nike Air on the back. Really hope you guys enjoyed this custom. I know I did for sure. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share the video if you enjoyed. Comment down below what customs you want to see next and on what particular shoe. I have a review coming soon for you guys because I got a really nice pair of shoes coming in the mail. So stay posted for that. Cash Corp signing off. Bye boys.